Hello everyone, Fulton here at Mad Babes and Boone, and I'm doing this weird angle because we're focusing on this today. I know it's not really vape related, but we do have a challenge here at our shop. If you can solve a Rubik's Cube faster than me, then I will personally get you a bottle of juice. So this is for anyone who wants to see how fast they have to get to try to beat me. But yeah, it's just a quick little video, show you guys what's up. And I like showing off, because why not? But anyway, I don't know how we're going to time this. I guess we'll start when the video gets to 50 seconds. So whenever that happens, I'll go. And go. We're doing a really slow solve today. Heck yeah. Almost there. All right, so that was 1 minute and 12 seconds. So if you can beat 1 minute and 12 seconds, just come to the shop. I'll time you, and yeah, I'll get you a bottle of juice. But anyway, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know when we post videos like this. I like this view so you can just see my great beard. We'll do reviews on juice. Like for instance, right now we're doing our Prime line. Go ahead and watch those 2 videos that we put out so far. Victory and Strands. Strands always the best. Also, we do mod reviews. Whenever we get something new in, we try to pump out a video so you guys know what's going on. But anyway, if you guys just want to come hang out at the shop, we hang out here too. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about anything, definitely leave a comment down below. Subscribe, look at our Facebook and Instagram, and yeah, you guys have a great day.